Good morning everyone. I discuss about fire safety inspection. Fire slides. 1. Discuss the importance and purpose of fire inspection. Number 2. Discuss the implementation of fire code and its IRR during fire inspection. Fire Code of the Philippines and its IRR. The implementing rules and regulation of RA 9514 is to provide guidelines, penalties, and timeframes for correcting fire safety violation, which provides regulations to ensure fire safety and prevention. Detail specific guidelines for compliance and enforcement. Fire safety enforcers. Fire safety enforcers are professionals tasked with ensuring that buildings and public spaces comply with fire safety regulation and standards. Inspection procedures. Inspection procedures typically involve a systematic examination of equipment, processes, or facilities to ensure compliance with regulations, standards, or best practices. They conduct inspections, review building plans, enforce codes, and educate the public on fire safety practices. Their goal is to prevent fires and minimize the risk of loss of life and property in the event of a fire. Fire inspections serve several vital purposes in safeguarding communities. Number 1. Preventing fire hazards. Fire inspection help identify potential fire hazards in buildings, facilities, and public spaces. By addressing these hazards earlier on, the risk of fires breaking out is significantly reduced. Number 2. Ensuring compliance. Ensuring compliance, fire inspectors ensure that buildings comply with fire safety codes and regulation. This includes checking fire exits, emergency lighting, fire alarms systems, sprinkler system, and other essential safety measures mandated by local laws. Number 3. Protective lives and property. By mitigating fire risk and ensuring compliance with safety standards, fire inspection help protect both life and property. Earlier detection and correction of fire hazards can prevent catastrophic fires and minimize damage in the event of an emergency. Number 4. Educating the public. Fire inspectors often engage in community outreach and education programs to raise awareness about fire safety. They provide valuable information on fire prevention measures, evacuation procedures, and the importance of maintaining fire safety equipment. Number 5. Supporting emergency preparedness. Fire inspection contribute to overall emergency preparedness efforts by identifying vulnerabilities and ensuring that buildings are equipped to handle fire emergency effectively. This readiness is crucial for swift and efficient responses in the event of a fire. Overall, fire inspection play a vital role in protectively managing fire risk, promoting fire safety awareness, and protecting the well-being communities.